Welcome to your practice for stability and focus. Firstly, we'll build the seat, and you may sit on, I have a block if you need to get a little bit of height. I find the block very rigid, and that's why you may see for sale pranayama pillows, which would be full of either sand or beads, and they can tip the pelvis forward. So what I choose to do is to take my blanket and to fold it in half lengthwise and then in half again, so that I have a fairly thick, long rectangle. And if this is not high enough, then stack two of the same shape, one on the other, so that when I sit, my knees fall, my tail is slightly back, my chest is tall. Another option would be to kneel, putting your knees down on the blanket, setting a block between your seat, simply bringing an upright chest. If neither of these work, sitting on a chair, sitting on the edge of a couch, set yourself up so that you feel steady and tall. When we increase the inhalation, we increase the sensation of expanse and inspiration. So if we're feeling heavy or inert, very caught and tight in our lives and circumstances, we can often need to widen and release the chest. If we're feeling overwrought or overwhelmed or dramatic or panicked, then we work the exhalation. Imagine that the breath in is making space, but with that space comes all the life force that surrounds us, and all that life enters us, embodying us, enlivening us, which could be good, which could be what you need. Or, if that's what's overwhelming you, the exhalation as though you were expelling the overwhelming expanse of scheduling and time and news and circumstance, to return to yourself as empty, as pure, and as essential. So often I work the exhalation because I can get myself worked up and really lost in my thoughts, and this helps me land in my body. So we'll do both directions because both are important, and both are important to learn and to know. And what we'll do is we'll start with one hand resting on the chest. I'm going to put my right hand between my throat and the center of my sternum. And just breathe in there. You're rising up into your hand and you're exhaling down into the seat. Notice that your shoulders drop down your back. The back of your neck becomes long. If you choose, eyes can close. And we're just starting here to activate breath up into the collarbones. A yawn or a sigh can widen the ribs, open the back. Just feeling yourself take up a little more internal space. Excellent. And we'll add to the breath of the chest by taking the other hand, and you can feel where your ribs meet. There's your solar plexus. You work your fingers down, there's your navel. And I'm going to put the pinky edge of my hand at my navel, and so I'm just below the diaphragm. And begin to breathe into that hand, and I'm opening the back, the low back, the mid back, the low ribs, really where most of the surface area of our lungs exists, but it often gets constrained. So breathing into the bottom hand, widening the back body, deepening into the abdomen. It's here that there's a sensation of calm. So if that's all you have time for, expanding your breath to include the collarbones, inhaling at the top, and then a second inhale filling the navel, and then exhaling the navel to the spine, exhaling the hand at the ribs descending. That can be plenty. That can be enough. We'll find that pattern, so into the hand at the chest, 2, 3, into the belly, 2, 3, out of the belly, 2, 3, out of the chest, 2, 3. 2 more times. In chest, 2, 3, in belly, 2, 3, out belly, 2, 3, out chest, 2. One more time, in the chest, fill the back, fill the sides, fill the belly, fill the back, fill the sides. Empty the belly, empty the chest, and just normal breath. You may choose to keep your hands here or putting your hands down. I'm going to do one round, hands on body. So this time we'll inhale to the chest and we'll pause. Then we'll inhale to the belly and we'll pause. And then we'll exhale belly and chest, one fluid exhale. The inhale to the chest will be for 3. We'll pause for 3. We'll inhale to the belly for 3. We'll pause for 3. We'll go out for 4. If it's too much, take it softly. And you can always change the ratio to be smaller. In for 2, pause for 2, in for 2, pause for 2, out for 3. Right? I'm going to start at 4. Normal exhalation. Inhale at the top of the chest. In, 2, 3, 4. Pause. 1, 2, 3, 4. In belly. 2, 3, 4. Pause full. 2, 3, 4. Out belly, belly, chest, chest. In chest. 2, 3, 4. Pause. 1, 2, 3. Add belly, in, pause. 1, 2, 3, 4. Out belly, belly, chest, chest. One more round. In the chest. 2, 3, 4. Pause. In belly. Pause. Out belly, belly, chest, chest. One more time. In chest, 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 chest. Pause. In belly. 2, 3, 4. Pause. 1, 2, 3. Out belly, belly, chest, chest. Hands down. Just notice. Consider it a breath of encouragement. When you just need a little bit of support from inside, like a friend saying, I see you, you can, I believe, right? That's the sensation of that uplifted, increased inhalation. So anytime you need to, you practice that. It's a great practice to do in the morning, 6 rounds. Feeling it, noticing. Out the hands if you need to, out the legs, shake out your feet, rebuild your seat. And we'll do the opposite direction. Hand on chest, hand on belly. The inhale will be smooth, 2 counts in the chest, 2 counts in the belly, and then we'll exhale, 4 counts out at the belly, we'll pause 4. We'll exhale, 4 counts out the chest, we'll pause. And then we'll breathe in, filling from belly to ribs to throat. So natural exhale, inhale belly, belly, chest, chest. Exhaling, belly, 2, 3, 4, pause, 3, 4, exhale, chest, 2, 3, 4, pause, 2, 3, 4, fill belly, belly, chest, chest, exhale, belly, 2, 3, 4, pause, 1, 2, 3, 4, out, chest, 2, 3, 4, pause. Fill the belly, 2, chest, 2, belly, soft, slow, 3, 4, pause. Gather there, out, chest, 2, 3, pause, 2, 3. Now let it in. belly, belly, chest, chest, out belly, 2, 3, 4, pause, out chest, 2, 3, 4, pause, in belly, belly, out belly, 2, 3, 4, pause, gather into that stillness of the low body, exhale chest, 2, 3, 4, pause, still, fill belly, belly, chest, chest, again, exhale belly, 2, 3, 4, pause, exhale chest, 2, 3, pause, let it in, let it in. Eyes closed, hands down, normal breathing, feel. It's a great breath to do at the end of the day. 6 rounds, creating this real stillness, this tranquility. You're affecting your vagus nerve, you're cooling your body temperature, you're slowing your heart rate. The mind becomes settled. So when you're looking to increase encouragement from inside, and you need to get a little bit bigger, stepping into a new project, a new idea, a new moon, new finances, inhale is building, pausing, building. If you need to downplay, reduce the dervish of your day, focus the exhalation, bring it to a close. A great morning practice 6 times, a great evening practice 6 times. Come back to this tutorial anytime to remind yourself to find it and then use it well. Sat Nam.